Hey everybody, hope you guys are having a good one. I wanted to do a little stash ad of what I got at the show this weekend. So this is the first one I got. Revell Shelby Series 1. I thought I had this kit at one time, but I don't think so. I think I got this for like $12 or so. So it wasn't too bad. I don't see them that often anymore, so this is probably the least of the rare kits, or I shouldn't say rare kits, but one of the easier kits out of all that I got. I did open them up. It was sealed. The only little problem was the wheels were sitting on the glass. It's not dug in deep, but I'll be able to buff that out. So we'll put those tires on top of the plastic. But looks like a really cool car. Really wide. So that is the first one I got. The old Shelby Series 1. I got this one from the same vendor. The John Greenwood Stars and Stripes. I've been looking for this one for a while, and it seems like every time I see it, like on Facebook and that, somebody always snatches it up before I get to it. So this one was open, and I looked at it there, learned my lesson once, and looked like everything was in there. It was complete. It's got some nice big wide tires on the back. Traditional Stingray. But everything looks like it's in here. And I made my way all the way to decal sheet. And it looks like it's almost brand new. So that was pretty cool. So I have to do this one, not wait too long. This one wouldn't be one I would just do stock. I would do box stock. This one's $15 on the box, but I think it was two of them. I paid $25, I think. This one was sealed. This one was out not too long ago. I always thought I had it, so I never bought it when I wanted it. And then once I stopped seeing it, I noticed I never had this one. So I like to do something special with this one. But well, that was a pretty cool kit. It was sealed. There. I think this one was only like $10 or so. Very cheap. But it's a nice full box. But it does not have an engine to it. It's just kind of like a Tamiya kit. And it comes with rubber seats or vinyl seats. I like to do something weird and different with this one. Put on a race chassis or something. Now for the fun ones here. I got the 63 Corvette Grand Sport. This is one of three, I think, of these. The miniature. What are they called? The accurate miniatures. I have the one where it has the photo etch grills all over. The one that's super hard to build. I had that one. Now I got this one. I think the only one I'm missing is the white one. But I really don't have any other pictures but that one. It's got a really cool picture there of my Thrace. But it's complete. Some nice decals. Look like they're in good shape. Chrome looks a little bad, but might end up stripping those and painting them. We'll see. The body sure is cool. A lot of nice details. Got some cool pipes for the headers. Nice tube chassis. Really nice tires in this kit. There's the glass. Got the cool headlights. Boy, look at them gauge. Gauges are pretty cool on that. And then the hood. Nice engine detail. Some door cards. Some grills. One thing, I think it was this one. No, that's the other one. I like how their instructions have a lot of details to it. But, so there's that one. Really cool Corvette kit. This one I was pretty excited about. Hiroshima. Nice McLaren F1. This one's a really neat kit too. Got a lot of detail. It's got it almost so you could just have the doors open. I don't think they open on their own, but they might. I haven't looked at the instructions on this one yet. But I'm sure we're a really cool body. Nice louvers. Already open, don't have to open them. But as you can see, there's tons of parts to this one. Very nicely detailed. Nice slick tires there. Some nice chrome. Look at that racing seat. That racing seat's cool as hell. Got the holes in it. It's got two different steering wheels. Wonder why that is. More clear parts, headlights and such. I'll never get this thing back in this box. And there's the wing and the front air dam. A very fragile wiper blade. There's the bottom. Very nice brakes. Nice detail on that. Some more aerodynamics. Some radiators. Some engine parts. Engine bay. Boy, look at that belt. You got some carbon fiber decals, some tire decals, and then the body decals. It's gonna be a cool kit. To make sure I take my time doing that. But this was one that I was extremely happy to actually see, let alone be able to get. Okay. So here is the last one, and it is the best one I think I got. And I didn't even see this. My wife's seen it, and I was like, boy, that's pretty cool. And I was like, well, I've been looking for that one for a long time. And it was the end of the show, so she was able to get a deal, and I think he almost knocked it down $9 from what he was asking for it, which was good. And was able to get one of my Holy Grail kits, as I should say. Box art does not show anything but that one picture. So here is the inside. Look how wide some tires are. It actually has a seat in there with it, so it's got a rubber seat. The guy did say, just take these and throw them right away. Guess he didn't like the way these looked. So, anybody who built this kit and you agree with him, let me know in the comments. I was kind of thinking of maybe trying to find some hex stock or such. But, them are all rubbery, got plugs and all that. After he said that, and I opened it up when I got home, I was surprised he said that, because I thought the detail on some of those was actually really good, but we'll see. But it's got a lot of nice parts, good detail on them. The body, it's not really a body, it's just a bunch of pieces. There's the engine tabs and such. So the cool thing is you can display it with the body off and all that. So this one has nice inner liner. Decals are not very fancy on this kit, and there's the glass and taillights. One thing I'm surprised is the thickness of this instruction manual. Well, I flipped it real quick, but it did have really nice instructions to read. There might be secrets in there, so I actually have to do some reading. Can't just look at the pictures. But got little check boxes, so you check off where you're at. But this is one I'm wanting to take a lot of time on. Make it look really nice. And this is one that I've wanted in for quite some time, and want to do justice on it. But so I had tons of fun at the show. Got to see a lot of great builds. Got to meet a lot of good builders. Oh. And I got a lot of cool tips to help try and improve my building. And that's one thing that I've kind of been slow on putting videos out, is because I've been critical towards myself. I built a nice average kit, but I've been kind of getting stale and towards getting better, and I don't want to build a kit and then kind of look at it and go, well, I really didn't do that good of a job. I do have a lot of kits that I really want to build, but I don't build them because I'm afraid I'm not going to do it justice. So I gotta push myself a little bit harder to get past that. So that's my next goal and next wall, is doing that. And I want to be able to offer something in my videos than just a built kit. So hopefully with like kits like this one and the ones I just showed you, I can turn a new leaf and step into the next chapter of model building. And hopefully with this gas station diorama, I can start doing that on that note as well. But the NASCAR build, I had to do a video on that. I am kind of hurting on the colors. The one thing that I'll mention in that video, but I'll say something in this one too, is to get your color contrast in that. When the roll cage and the chassis are all the exact same color, I don't understand how people actually can get it to look good. And it just always looks like when you paint it all one color, it's like you kind of just glued it together, painted it, and said, "Oh, I'm done." But that's one thing I'm being critical on that build for. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned, watch some more, and see if I build these ones anytime soon. Let me know what you think, and if you got any tips on these builds, let me know as well. I'd love to have a tip or two. Thanks. Bye.